is third class of trigonometry. For the first class and second class, you can see the other video I have given you. The link is given here. In the first video, I have told how the trigonometry is related to the other mathematics. In the second part, I have taught something about the trigonometry, the definitions. That is the continuation of that one. Now, the third class. In the third class, I will show, actually in the second class many things has been left. So, let me conclude that first, all that first. So, let me show you something. These are triangles in my hand. This all are right angle triangle. This. So what are the special things in all this? Okay, let me show. This is the right angle. When I keep it in this, on this plane, this is, yes, this is. Are you able to see? These lines are parallel. This, and this. These four lines are parallel. And I have not colored here, but these are also parallel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because 4 triangles are there. Okay. Let me arrange in different style. In this way. I have got all the 4 triangles one by one. Actually, the smallest one, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The smallest one, it's of 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And this orange color line length is 10 root 2. In the second triangle, what I have done, so let me one by one, let me show one by one. This is the smallest triangle which I have made for you. This is 10 by 10. I'm trying to draw exactly the same figure. Centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. This point, for the triangle, you don't know to draw all the lines. Make 3 lines, 3 points, and then match. Okay, let me show it is perpendicular 90 degree. This. So 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. I have made 3 point, and then I will join. Because it is not pencil, so whole things will not be actually equal, but you can imagine. Only I have drawn 3 points and the triangle has been completed. Actually, I have one questions when I was in class 10th. Why this definition, sine theta is this, sine theta is that, cos theta? Why this is definition? Many questions, and that's why I'm trying to give you that answers. Why the definitions like this? So 2 questions, why the definitions are like this, and why these are definitions based on the right angle triangle. Okay, so these 2 problems I will tell you later. So this is the first triangle which I have drawn. This is, let me show, this is this 10 into 10, and this is 10 root 2. You can measure, this is scale. Yes, I'm trying to show you. this is 0 and this is 1, this is 10. Okay, and this is also 10. This is 1 and this 10. Okay, what about this, the diagonal? Let me measure. This is 14.1. Are you able to see? 14.1. This is diagonal is 14.1. Actually 14.1 centimeter, when you will calculate, this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, this is 10 root 2, Pythagoras theorem. So this is 10 root 2, root 2 is equal to like this. This is 10, this is 10 and this is 10 root 2. Because at this time, suppose I have only this scale, so I can measure all the 3 lines. And this is SSS criteria. And the triangle has been defined, confirmed. The actual question is, can you find the angles? Because in triangles, 3 sides and 3 angles are there, A, and if you find 2 angles, the third one can be found very easily by the summation 180. So now this I have measured all the 3 angles. So can you find angle A with the earlier geometry? Yes, in class 9th it is there. You will see in any triangle, if the 2 sides are equal, this is again geometry. I'm teaching you trigonometry, but trigonometry is nothing new. Geometry, I'm telling you first geometry. So this is 10 root 2, 10 root 2, yes, 10 times of root 2, it means 10 multiply 1.41, this is, actually root 2 is an irrational number, 1.41 dash dash dash, but approximately that will be 14.1, so this is 14.1. Okay, so if these 2 sides are equal, then angle opposite to the equal sides becomes equal. So this will be x and this is x. Okay, this is the theorem. Opposite angles of opposite sides, equal opposite sides becomes equal. So this is x, this is x. Now can we find this one? So again we have a theorem. I think in class 10th you will find, and in class 9th you should to know that in any right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side A and side 1 square plus side 2 square, like this. Sometimes it is known as in trigonometry base and perpendicular, side 1 and side 2. The inverse theorem also, if this is right angle triangle, if this is right angle, then this will happen. This is the Pythagoras theorem. The inverse of this, if this happens, then the triangle will be right angle. So we will check. This is 10 and square, and the hypotenuse is largest one. This is right angle triangle, but which is right angle triangle? So you will see, first I have x and this one. So first I have applied means equal sides. This is the theorem, equal sides. So opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles equal. Okay. The second things means x. Second thing what I have applied, inverse theorem of Pythagoras. Inverse theorem. That is why inverse of any theorem is very important. Inverse theorem of Pythagoras. and you will see 10 square. Okay, let me show. 10 square plus 10 square is equal to 10 times of root 2 to the whole square, this one. So this is 100, 100, 100, this is 100 is equal to 10 square 100 into root 2 square 2. So this is 100 into 2, 200. So inverse theorem of Pythagoras, we have known this is the right angle triangle, 90 degree. We have measured only 3 sides and we are finding the angles. So this is 90 degree we have found here, inverse theorem of Pythagoras. Then applying this equal, now we will find the value of x. We will use the theorem, all the angles, this is also the third one. The third, what will you use? The angle summation, angle sum of angle sum of triangle is equal to 180. This is again theorem. In class 9th you have first time proved it. Okay, so the x plus x and plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So you can calculate x is equal to 45. Means if we know the 3 sides, we have to apply all these 3 theorems to find the value of x. Okay, it's very important, note it. If we know S, then how to find A. Now the same questions I will solve in different manner. Same question.